It's Josh Gens with Midwest Lifestyle Properties. We're out here at our newest listing at W5778 Koss Road in Onalaska, Wisconsin. This beautiful home sits on 26 plus or minus acres just on the outskirts of Onalaska, Wisconsin. Features a nice mix of agricultural land, structured food plots, beautiful pond, apple trees, multiple berry locations, you name it, this property has it, and it's a hobby farm location you're not going to want to miss. This beautiful home features an attached shop, a beautiful double island kitchen with all the amenities, two-story great room, master ensuite, and so much more. You're definitely gonna want to check it out. This beautiful property has truly everything. Whether you want a hobby farm near town or you want to turn it into an equestrian paradise, this property offers additional build sites for outbuildings, barns, corrals, anything you can think of, whether you want to run cattle, horses, or just have simple chickens. Come check this one out. This property also sits in between two massive ridge systems, which is amazing for obviously deer habitat. And this property is a nice travel corridor. That's why with the agricultural, the food plots, the creek bottom, as well as the natural positioning of this property, deer, turkey, you name it, use this property all the time. You're definitely going to take advantage of this if you're into the outdoors. Country homes with this much acreage, this close to town, just do not exist. If you've been looking for this property, get a hold of Josh Gens at 608-797-7230 or Colton Bettis, and we'll be sure to take care of you.